How would you respond when a younger woman asks, "How old are you?" Many men filter with answers like, "I'm only 45. Is that okay? I'm 50. But most people say, "I look younger. I'm 55, but I still look energetic. I work out regularly and take care of myself." These responses come off as insecure and an immediate turnoff that can endure chances of sparking her interest. Your age isn't the issue. It's how you handle the question that matters, and will make or break the deal for you. I few know the right answer, or rather Thenny's words, to this question. It will significantly improve your dating game. With the charming young ladies out there, I've included some perfectance words at the end of the video that are relatable for any age, over 40. You can use them as they are, so make sure you don't miss them. But let us first understand why a woman, or better yet, a younger woman, asks this question in marathon. 90% of the cases where she asks, "How old are you?" she wants to find out if you're insecure about your age. Will your age be a problem, or will it be an asset of who you are? That's the very question on her mind at that moment. She's testing. She already knows you for your self-confidence, your self-assurance, and above all, the maturity you naturally bring to the table at your age. The first thing you need to know is that she already knows you're older than her by your appearance and your body shape. So, she's not interested in finding out your age to see if you match her or not. She's already made up her mind about you, otherwise she wouldn't with you. Asking this question here now is to test the things she cannot see with her keen eyes. You should never let insecurity show in your answers. A woman recognizes these things in a man very quickly, and they never want to be with a man who is insecure or feels inadequate because of his age. It's as simple as that. Answer confidently and self-assume readily. What you need to do is answer confidently and self-assuredly. No matter if you're 45 or 55, if she says you're too old for her, it's important to respond in a way that keeps her interested and attracted. How to do it? There is a quick 6-way method: to us, her, and the situation. So you have AOR answers ready. Number 6. Women bend and break their own rules. Women have rules about age differences, but these are flexible. When the right man shows up, those rules can fly out the window. If you can make her feel excited, confident, and special, she'll. The numbers. It's all about the emotional connection you make. Number 5. Timing matters. Don't reveal your age too soon. Women need time to warm up to you. They're like a clock face, not a light switch. Give her 2 years to her. Time to recognize your personality and charisma before you talk about numbers. Once she has fallen in love with you, the age difference is no longer so important. Number 4. Add 2 years to her. When she asks, "How old are you?" turn it around and say, "Guess how old you think I am." She probably is younger, out of politeness. Add 2 years to her estimate. For example, if you're 45 and she guesses 38, tell her, "I'm actually 40. This keeps the conversation light and fun, without straying too far from the truth. Number 3. Bait her curiosity. If she asks your age, say, "You're really close. How about I give a few clues and you guess again later?" This keeps her on her toes and gives you more time to show your personality. Curiosity will keep her, and she talk to you longer. Playfully exaggerate. Number 2. Playfully exaggerate. Exaggeration can be a funny way to deal with the question. If she asks your age, answer with a playful smile. "Old enough to be your grandfather." Just kidding, but I've got a few more years under my belt than you. This shows that you are confident and have a sense of humor, which are attractive qualities. Number 1. Flip the script. Turn the tables. If she asks your age, respond, "Old enough to know what I want. But what about you? How old are you? I need to measure. You're not too young for me." This puts you in control and shows that you are confident and selective. Then follow up with a compliment to keep things positive. "But I have to admit, you've got great." And here is a bonus tip for you. Frame it positively. Frame it positively. Frame it positively to present. Always phrase your age in a positive light. For example, "I am in my early 40s, and I'm enjoying every minute of it. These years have given me so much experience and perspective." This not only answers her question, but also shows that you are confident and mature. Now, compare these answers with the insecure ones I gave you in the introduction. "I'm only 45. Is that okay? I'm 50, but most people say I look younger. I'm 55, but I still look full of energy. I exercise regularly and look after myself. These answers are brimming with insecurity and low self-esteem, and are an unfortunate ticket to instant rejection. Many women have age preferences, but plenty are also open to older men. What matters most is how Shreej preferences feels about you. Does feel that the age difference is insignificant because of the unique connection and attraction between that two of you. If a woman is persistent about your age, address it directly but firmly. Say something like, "Is age a problem for you? Because my relationships are more about the connection than a number." This will put focus back on the relationship and not just the number. The most important thing is that you make this connection. Don't answer the age question directly. Bring it to the date and say, "I want to see if I feel a connection with you. Then we can talk about our shoe size and the time we were born." Take it lightly finally. As I promised at the beginning, here are some ready-made responses you can use to answer her question about your age. 1. Old inner ready-made responses to no, not tones where that question. Say it with a smile and a wink, and then change these. This will keep you in control and show that you're not easily shaken, which a younger woman loves too. Well, how much do you weigh? This mirrors her question and shows her how it feels. Tobe asked something personal. It also keeps you in control of the conversation. 3. How old are you? I need to make sure you're not too old for me. This creates a flirtatious mood and it shifts the focus to your demands and not hers. 4. Didn't your parents teach you not to ask personal questions? Say it with a grin, and then change the subject. This keeps the conversation light and shows that the question doesn't bother